All right, guys, so this is the project we started. um I use well, not I use, they use sandpaper, and just to sand it down, it was this mahogany, dark mahogany color. And we're going to bring it to this red wine color. I'm going to show you. Sorry for the spinning. That is the Bear Chalk, and that's the color we're using. And here it is, like we're just like starting a fresh coat. All the videos that I've watched, I've seen they use like an oval brush, but we couldn't find any oval brush in our local Home Depot, so we just panned off with just a regular paintbrush. But you can basically use whatever you have, and we're just going back and forth, and just putting on not a thin, like a good amount of paint on the top. Like I said, it was and I would just say take your time so you don't have like blotchy spots. You catch the edge, you just kind of catch out that, paint out the edges. All right, guys, so this is the first coat on the top of the table. Like I said, I'm starting to really like the top of it, how it came out. You've probably seen the other previous clip. Just be careful, because some of like the bristles on the brush can come off on the table. But honestly, taking your time and going back and forth, honestly, taking your time is what really is the most important. It's not hard to use chalk paint. Just take your time, honestly. All right, guys, I'm gonna take this brush, and I'm helping out, and I'm doing the legs. I'm no painter, but I'm doing the legs. Just mini strokes. Can you guys see that? Kind of cutting that, doing the little sides here. I think this is a nice project you can do, as a family or by yourself. It doesn't matter. But it's time consuming. All right, so this is the first coat. You should let it dry for 2 hours and then reapply a second coat. So you can see that right there is all dry, and then like right there is all wet. So when it dries on, it has that finish, and it looks matte, but we're gonna put a clear wax over it. I believe that's what it's called. And yeah, so let's give you an overview of how it looks. And we're almost there. So 2 more hours and we will put on a second coat. Okay, so this is the final, well, not the final. This is like when it's all completely dry. It has that matte look. I'm hoping it has like a sheen when, it has a little sheen when the wax go on, but I do like it. I'm happy because I think it matches those over there, that stick thingy. Hopefully it matches that. That's what I was going for, but let's see. And yeah, tell me what you think. I think I'm liking it. It's growing on me. All right, guys, so this is the second coat. I must say, it looks better. And we're just like topping that up a little bit. I must say, when it dries, it does look matte, but hopefully, like I said, using the clear wax should make it have a nice little sheen to it. So I cannot wait to see that. Oops. Oh, I thought I missed a spot there. Looks like that. I'll have to go over that. That's how that looks. I'm gonna now do the legs again. See how this beautiful table. So you can see that's wet there and then dry. All right, so this is the second coat. It's almost dried already. I'm really surprised. So like this part here, you can see like that faded part is where it's dry. The more like red looking part is like wet. So I will say the trickiest part is doing the grooves, like all the way at the bottom. It's really tricky. So maybe use like a thinner sheet, or maybe a garbage bag would be easier. So when it's fully dry, I'm probably just gonna lift it up and just do the edges. But I got some paint on it. I really went at the bottom. but I really do like it. Yeah, here's the bed. So that part is dry and those part are still wet. I'm gonna give it 2 more hours, and then we're gonna use this wax from Behr as well. If I didn't say that's from that paint from Behr. So I was using this wax from Behr, the clear thing to put on top. So yes, guys, I'm really loving this little DIY rejuvenate of the coffee table. All right, guys, so this is after 2 coats, and now it's time for the wax. And I'm excited. I'm really surprised how nice this came out. I'm gonna try to go in so you guys can see it all around. I really am surprised. And the wax is not even on yet. It does feel soft to the touch. And it has like it does have like a somewhat silky smooth to it. So we're gonna put on the wax. Try get a cloth. Try get a cloth that has lint free. And then just basically just some like a wax on, wax off thing. So you should, and also you should go, you could go a second time after you finish the first coat if you desire like any more, I guess, sheen to it, or if you want, but I think I'm just gonna do 1 coat. All right, guys, so that is the leg, this is the wax, and I'm just gonna just wax this in, if you guys can see, just waxing that on, all over. A little bit comes off on the rag, but pretty much it's good to go. Guys, if you have grooves, don't forget to kind of go inside these grooves, because I almost forgot that. So go on this side right here, just kind of get those groove parts. Oops. And like these corners here. Now we're gonna let this wax dry, and then it will be the final product. All right, guys, so this is the finished project. I do like it. I want to make sure I showed it in daylight. So it's actually gonna go over there. I'm gonna move that out the way, and it's gonna go over there in the middle. And hopefully I'll do maybe a little room tour soon, so you will see it in play, but I love it. It's coming, it's growing on me. That side is still a little wet with the thing, but for the most part, it looks like that. Oh, okay, that doesn't look, looks like that. And yeah, I'm starting to grow on me. All right, guys, so please tell me what you think. If you try this project, please tag me, let me know. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Take care. Be safe.